This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 22 of building the Transformers Optimus Prime from the movie series of the same name. Not the Optimus Prime bit, just the Transformers bit. But yeah, let's have a look through the magazine and then we'll have to bring out the rest of the leg and the bit that we did last time and put that together. We're looking at the US Army. They feature in all of the film, most of the films. Certainly the early ones, but Optimus's father, E Prime. I don't remember that from. That's obviously from the comics and the cartoons rather than from the films. Ultra Magnus. Don't know him. Autobots Series 5. Let's see, do we recognise any of those? No, I think these are coming in after I had my time with them. They look very small and simple. They're just the little mini things. So yeah, not as good. Not a real Transformer. So yes, we're continuing the right leg, part 13 of the right leg. We've got 3 large parts and a hinge piece to fit. So we're going to be doing some bits with that, and then fitting the part from last time and finishing off a bit more. We must be getting close to being finished with the leg, mustn't we? We must be close. So let's see how close we get. Let's clear this out of the way and get it built. Okay, so today's parts, we've got the 3 large bits, a couple of screws, which I've got one out of the packet, and this hinge piece that we're going to be building, as well as the part from last time. So what I'm going to do is slightly out of order. Rather than bringing in the leg and then doing other things and then bringing the leg back in, I'm going to just build the first things first. So we've got to build up this hinge. So that goes through there, like so, with one of these knurled bars holding that together. Let's squeeze that into there. Nice. And then on the other end of that, we do the same again with that one. That doesn't matter which way up that goes, so we'll just put that through that way round. Obviously going to matter which way round it goes when it goes into a thing. For now, that is all we need to worry about. Got sort of like a multi-joint bit there. So that's that together. That then fits onto, let's see what we did. We should have done one of these first. B first, which is the silver one. So that should have been attached before we did this, but I'm not worried about that at the moment. We'll do that in a moment. We've got this and this, which need to be attached together with this hinge. That bit. That is going on to C, which is the other piece. Yeah, we've got the joint there that ball is going to go into, like so. And then the other end of this goes onto there. Oh, it goes onto the bit that we haven't done yet. That's why we haven't attached this yet. It goes over that post there. Did I have it the right way round? Not that post, it's got to be that post, isn't it? I think it's that post. That post certainly makes it join up down there, so I think that is, it's just a little bit. There we go, yeah. That goes on there, and that gives us many points of articulation from that. As well as the ball joint, you've got the hinging pieces. So that goes through there. I do need a screwdriver now to put screw in there to hold that together. Got to get that in the right place. Again, screw with a big built-in washer. We'll just stop that from escaping. Go. Tighten up a little bit more. Let's get a slightly bigger screwdriver. Go. Should be a better fit. Does the job. So we've got lots of movement from that. Then we need to bring in the whole leg, because we've got to fit that bit and then that bit to that. Right, so the leg itself, it's here. Remember this. This is nice, isn't it? Every time I come back to this, it astounds me how big and really just beautiful it is. So we've got to fit the first bit, the grey bit. That bit goes onto, actually it's up there. There we go. 2 posts there that lock into that. Do it. There we go. That's that on there. Then let me turn the page. All right. Then we've got the big bit, which goes that way round onto there. What have we got? We've got close to the plug there that goes into that hole. And the rest of it should just line up around everything else, shouldn't it? Yeah. Right. Not so easy to see where I am in there. That bit is in the way. Bit that probably attaches down here as well. Is that down there? Oh, they're going to go through those. Right, I got you. Right. Yeah, I might have to do this a little bit off camera to try and get that lined up properly. So I can't exactly see where I am. Yeah, that's going to line up in there. And that needs to line up over there as well. Let me get that in, and then we'll come back to put the final piece together. Yep, there we go. That just lines up nicely across that bit and clipped in place in the middle there as well. This piece needed to lift out the way first. That's why that was having trouble. So that's that. And then this bit has got 2 attachment points there. Get those lined up. And that will just, again, slip in place if I can get that lined up properly. That one there, and that one there. Getting at the right angle as well. Nice. Nice secure push fit. So yeah, that gives us that bit of articulation in there, which you probably just want to get lined up properly. Not really going to move around. Still got this bit that moves. There's so many parts that move. Really is quite lovely. That is that. We must be getting close to the end of the leg now. Yeah, we've got all the little bits in the joint that move. Nice. So there we have it. Another issue done. Another part attached. And yeah, good to go. So that's that. Thank you very much for joining me. I shall see you next time when, I don't know, we're probably going to be doing some more bits on the leg. Can't be too much more to do though, is there? Can't be. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.